Somebody visited your store today, clicked a product and almost paid. Then the person left. You will never know that they even visited your store. And if your store gets visitors like this but no sales, the exact scene is repeating itself quietly over and over. Different people coming to your store, same ending. And look, you think the usual fix is more traffic. You touch up on your ads, you chase more clicks and nothing changes. The visitors were never the problem. Something inside your store is talking them out of paying. In case you are new here, I'm Toval. I currently run a 6-figure Google dropshipping store. So I'm not guessing at this. I'm telling you what turns visitors into buyers. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what has been costing you those sales. It happens at one precise moment, the same moment in almost every store. And I'll show you that moment shortly. So stick around, let's dive in. Let's start with the mistake almost everybody makes here. And I made it too at the beginning. The visitors keep coming, nobody buys. So you decide that traffic must be bad. And you go shopping for more of it. New ads, new keywords, more clicks and same silence. Nobody is buying. But think about what a visitor actually is. A real person clicked on your product on purpose. They wanted what you sell, at least enough to come and look at it. So the interest was never missing, which means the leak is inside the store. And to fix it and to find it, you have to see your store the way a stranger sees it. A stranger on your store is asking one silent question the entire time. Can I trust this seller with my money? They don't know you, they have never heard of your brand, and this is the first time they have ever seen your website. So they look for proof quietly without telling you. Amongst other things, they are checking whether there is a real way to contact you, whether your policy pages read like a real business wrote them, and whether your prices look honest or look like a trick. Every single gap they find becomes a doubt. One doubt is survivable. 2 makes them hesitate, and a small pile of them turns that silent question into a no. And here is the frustrating part. You can't see any of this happening. Nobody emails you to say your refund page fell off. They just leave, and your analytics calls it a bounce. I've stopped guessing where my own store's doubts were, and I built a tool to find it for me. It's called fastgmc.com. You drop your store URL in, it checks your store against the same trust signals Google normally checks. And here is the part that matters most for your sales. Those are the same things your customers are checking before they pay. Contact details, policy pages, honest pricing, all of it. It hands you the list of what to fix, and the link is in the description below, and the scan is free. Fix that list once, and every visitor that walks into your store feels that it is safe to buy from you, which still leaves the question I opened this video with. When exactly do the doubts win? The doubts win at one precise moment, the moment their card is in their hands about to pay. Your visitor doesn't decide against you while they are browsing. No, they browse happily, they read your product pages, they even hit add to cart. But when the money is about to leave their hand, everything they have noticed gets weighed at once. The contact page they couldn't find, the policy that read like a template, the discount that looks suspicious and too good to be true. Buying from you suddenly feels like a risk. So they close the tab, and to them, nothing even happened. They leave your website. But that quiet little moment was your sale lost. The order you have been waiting all the day came right to the edge of paying and then walked away without any payment. So here is the line to keep. Clicks are curiosity. Sales are trust. Your traffic was never wasted. It arrived, it looked, and it almost paid. Earn the trust, and the visitors you already have will turn into customers. Stop buying more visitors. Start convincing the ones you have got. And as always, let AI do the heavy lifting while you do the living. See you in the next one.